Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can create a group email in Gmail. So for that you have to open your web browser and you have to go to contacts.google.com. In there you have to have those contacts added, and with email address, with their email address you have to create a contact and save their contact information here with the email. Make sure to do that. And if you have contacted some people in email, they will be added here already with their email address. So in here you have to click on create label, and you have to type in a name for the group. So I'm gonna just simply name it group. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can create a group email for this group. So you have to go to this group, you have to go to this contacts and select all those person you wanna send an email to. And you can click on mail to send them mail. But sometimes you have so many emails, so many contacts that you wanna actually put them in a group, not by randomly selecting them. And if you want to if you quite frequently select send email to this group, then you may want to create a label, add them in a label. I have created a label earlier, as you have seen, and I'm gonna add them to this label. So I'm gonna click on this icon and click on group and click on apply. So now these two persons are added in this group label, and in this group label you have to select their name. And if you have multiple people under group, then all you have to do is click on all. Then you have to click on this send email icon. So once you have clicked on that, it will add all the persons in a group in the send box. And now you have to type all the email, and whatever you want to type, then you have to just click on send. The email will be sent. So that's how you basically can create a group email in Gmail. So you have to access it from contacts.google.com. So that's how you basically create a group email. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.